Morning everyone, Brian Cunningham, Restoration Concrete here in the Metro Atlanta area. Today we are in the community of Walnut Grove, not too far from Covington, Conyers, that area. We're going to be pouring a slab today. It's a small slab, 15 by 15. But once again, we have some drainage issues. There was a big tree here in the middle of the slab and it was removed and they had somebody put the wall in. But the guys that put the drainage in didn't put it deep enough. So we're gonna fix that and pour this slab and we're gonna show you how it's done. So here we go.